Hi YouTube, welcome to my review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max Silicone Case in Plum Color with MagSafe. I just got this from the beautiful Apple store on the Marina Bay in Singapore, and I can't wait to show you exactly how the unboxing experience goes with the Pro Max Silicone Case. I really like this color, especially on the gold iPhone Pro. And so I got this particular color. I'm going to just start the unboxing process now. Lift up that green tab. I'm expecting my gold iPhone 12 Pro Max to come this week. And I will put this case on it right away. So I'm just going to take out, hopefully there's a case in there. Ah, there it is. Wow, this looks so much better in person. A tiny, a pretty thin product literature, I would say. Nothing too important here. The case itself is covered in a thin sheet of plastic. I'm going to just try to take it off the cardboard backing. There we are. Wow, that's the MagSafe magnet, that circle that you see here. It looks pretty tiny with this big case. Looks really nice, guys. Feels very premium, super smooth. I'm going to put it on my trackpad of my 13-inch MacBook Pro just to show you how big this thing really is. It's pretty big. It's bigger than the trackpad here. Nothing too much to see on the cardboard backing. It's really nice design of how they pack this case. Very precise engineering. So I'm going to now turn off the light so you can see how it looks like in the dark. Just really understated, super premium looking color. I really like the plum color. Very precise engineering here. Soft backing, protect the phone. Just going to give a quick measurement to see just how big this is. It's about a little more than 6 inches in length. And about a hair over 3 inches in width. And a pretty giant camera cutout. Really nice engineering on this case. The buttons feel super premium, super good. So that's it, guys. So that's my review of the silicone case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Catch you here later. Thanks for watching. Bye.